we just made it to the Color Factory. This is located in San Francisco, and which is like 20 minutes away from our school. And I'm super excited, and I'll go with my theme. Everything is so Instagrammable. It'll fit my feed. What is it there?
Are we allowed to eat them?
Yeah? Go ahead. You want a cookie? This scene kind of reminds me of like the Drake and Josh scene of the sushi conveyor belt, and they're like have to eat a whole bunch of them before like they go.
Try?
Sorry guys, there's like so much going on. We spent like 10 minutes here already. It's only in the first room. It was super good. Oh, the neon lights. So cute. I'm gonna die, guys.
It's the smallest thing I've ever seen.
Right here. That's smaller than Chester, guys. Oh my god, this is so cute.
I'm gonna go stand next to it for scale.
Fishy. Oh my god. It's so small. No, the paws. This is where we scratch a sniff. So you just scratch this and smell it. This is really cool. It smells like actually like a vanilla birthday cake. It smells so good. Make it rain. Ready?
It's from Press Juicery.
Press. So bougie. So this is like a charcoal lemonade. Is that what it is? From Press Juicery. I never tried charcoal before, so.
Black lemonade.
Black lemonade.
It's crazy, isn't it?
But don't hate it. It's pretty good.
It just tastes like lemonade, but it's like, it's black, it's weird. It's
just like knowing that it's black, it gives you like the weird taste.
Yeah.
It's more tart, I would say. It's good though. The orange room. Oh my gosh, look right here. Literally everything orange. Hey guys, so we're in the orange room. Literally every single thing in this room is orange.
That's hilarious.
Can you fit?
No.
Your hair's gonna be all staticky.
I know.
So this is like a room full of blue balloons. All you can smell is just that rubbery balloon smell. Yeah, so we're gonna take some photos here. It's kind of cramped in here. Like if you're like claustrophobic and you feel like you might feel it here, but other than that, it's pretty cool.
Ooh. Laying down the game.
How do you do this?
It's because the disco balls, they're bringing this out of you.
Oh, I'm wearing the pants.
The disco pants? Ooh. As always, I'm too tall for the exhibit, but probably wasn't meant to stand underneath it anyways.
I guess not. We did it.
What does it say?
Jessica plus Jessica.
Hey.
No, just kidding. Jake plus Jess. He's yellow. My coral.
Like all these little like plastic tubes. Like that.
This is the gem that all the bad guys have been trying to get for, like the source of all the universe. Yeah, like this is it.
And they're really difficult to get out. Some are just like stuck in the holes like this.
I know, it took me like a good like 10 minutes, 5 minutes to put this up. Yeah, I'm super happy that it's finally done. So we're in the coloring room and look at this huge marker. Oh my god.
And it's got like a little, you can barely even carry this.
I know, like look how big.
It's like a rocket launcher.
Is it taller than me?
Yeah, don't put it on the ground, it's got a marker.
I know.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Quality content.
Ooh, some fire.
I'm gonna have Jake write our names super high because he's tall. Honestly, this is like a perfect size for Jake. Right here. Let's do our, can you do our Hello Jessica right here? Oh my god, I actually do my handles?
Hi guys, sorry about that. We're not allowed lettering. We're not allowed to write letters. Or
Oh, letters. Okay.
Okay, cross it out. So close, guys. It's okay, just
Yeah, they definitely can't tell what it says now. Right? Where did Jess go? There she is.
Hi.
And she's gone.
Wow! This looks cool.
You just appear out of nowhere.
I know. This is great. Is this good for like makeup tutorials? Like, hey everyone, I'm a beauty guru. So today we're gonna be doing makeup. Blah, 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 blah. Hello. It's a little creeple right there. So guys, so it's really hard to be a good vlogger, a good photographer, and an Instagram person, and a story person, and a Snapchat person. So it's really hard to do all of those things at once. So hopefully we got enough footage of everything. Jake's having so much fun with this ribbon contraction here. You see this in photos, but you don't see is this, or this, or like a random wall right here. So it's trying so hard to do all these different platforms, keeping them updated for you guys. If anyone actually sees it, it's okay. I kind of do it mostly for myself to look at, you know, because at the end of the day, you kind of look at your stories before you sleep, like, oh, this is what I did throughout the day. So it's fun. Let's see if Jake can find us.
Hiding from me?
Yep. Hey guys, so we're in the confetti room. So there's like contraptions where they just let go of confetti.
So we just posted a selfie on Instagram with a special hashtag.
Yeah, so we just posted a picture on Instagram, and we have to use like a certain hashtag to print.
Is that us?
Okay, hashtag is selfie. I know, I'm just like waiting. We posted this picture right here. We're just waiting for it to come.
Says it's supposed to print. It has like a live feed from Instagram.
Oh,
there it is, there it is.
It's ours. Yay! Oh my gosh. That's so cool. You made it. We made it.
It's so cool. So all these selfies are from Instagram's feed. People just posted on Instagram hashtag selfie, and it just prints out from the Instagram feed. So we
Leave
posted
it here or should we bring it?
Let's bring it.
Okay.
A souvenir.
Yes.
It's pretty cool. I didn't think it was actually going to print us.
Can I do Chester?
So of course, like the good parents we are, we now did a picture of Chester. On its way.
We're actually liking Chester's photo.
Well, I should be here, right?
There he is.
Tim! It's Chester!
Oh my gosh.
my baby!
He's so cute.
My
You too.
baby! I miss you. Oh my gosh.
This is so much fun.
I can't get up, guys.
I can't even get up
I
to
need
prepare
life
for the
alert.
vlog.
Life alert.
Come on, you got this. Yeah. All right, make your way to the other side.
Can't
Slowly
move.
but surely.
I'm afraid to find a body. Can we just drop? Oh my god, I can't move. This is probably the ugliest footage ever. Getting out. I'm like literally stuck. He can't get up. No. Are you good?
I'm good, bro.
You good, bro?
I'm going to
You good? Wow, you're so tall.
I know, I feel like a child.
I'll play basketball. I'll beat you.
10 seconds left in the polo game. She shoots. She scores! The crowd goes wild. Woo! It's ball pit polo.
I finally got my ice cream.
What flavors?
It's vanilla and jasmine milk coffee. What was that?
Milk coffee.
Milk coffee. It's really good. 10 out of 10.
It's all yellow.
Highly recommend. Free. Ah, I'm so happy. Today was such a fun day. Oh,
Now
it's
we're-
melting.
Okay, so our day is finally over. We're back outside. How was it?
It was so much fun. It got really hot towards like the end, but it's really fun.
Worth it?
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got tickets to the Color Factory, hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did. I think they're selling more tickets in the near future. Love you guys so much, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and see you next time. Bye! That's nice.